Most students spend hours rewatching lectures or scribbling messy notes. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can turn a full lecture into clean, organized notes in seconds? Watch this before your next class. Taking notes is one of the biggest struggles in school. You miss key points, your notes are unorganized, and by exam time, you're drowning in confusion. That's where AI comes in. The tool is called Otter.ai. You simply record your lecture or upload the audio, and within seconds it transforms everything into structured notes. It even highlights key points, makes summaries, and timestamps important sections, so you never miss context. Here's the crazy part. It doesn't just give you raw text. Otter uses AI to identify the most important points automatically. So instead of scrolling through an endless wall of text, you get a study-ready version of your lecture. That's like having a personal study assistant built into your laptop. Think about it. You've got 3 exams next week, hours of lectures to review, and no time to waste. Instead of rewatching a 90-minute lecture, Otter gives you a structured summary in minutes. You can literally scan your notes on the way to class and be fully prepared. But here's what nobody talks about. Otter lets you search your notes like Google. Can't remember what your professor said about a formula? Type the keyword and boom, instant answer. You can also share notes with classmates and even collaborate in real time. Now, before you rush to download, here's the catch. If you rely on Otter without reviewing your notes, you'll risk memorizing summaries instead of truly understanding. The tool is powerful, but you still need to use it wisely. When used correctly, this tool doesn't just save you time, it skyrockets your learning efficiency. Imagine walking into an exam with notes that are automatically organized, highlighted, and searchable. That's the real secret advantage. So if you've been struggling with lecture overload, this is your shortcut. Try Otter for your next class and see how much easier studying becomes. If this helped you, drop a comment with your toughest subject. I'll share more AI tools that can save you time. And don't click away just yet. My next video reveals another free AI tool that turns your messy essays into polished writing in seconds. You'll want to see that.